Hello everyone, this is Nathan here, and in today's unboxing video we're gonna unbox Ezviz smart home camera. We have a few things to read on the box before we go into the unboxing, so let's see. This Amazon package, it came in like this. It's kind of, I don't know if you can hear that, but some stuff shaking around in there. There's 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi support, motion detection, it is 360 degrees tilt and pan view, two-way talking, night vision up to 10 meters, and you can view it from anywhere on any device. It has something called a sleep mode and micro SD card slot for local storage up to 256 GB, and it has cloud storage too, which I don't think I'll be using, but we'll check it out.
Let's see how it is.
There's a recording.
Keep continuous recording.
Oh, it is.
No, we just motion detection and
No, it's recording. It's showing on the phone.
okay.
This is a video test of the camera's video quality and audio quality. This is being recorded on the camera, and this is going to be the outro for this video. Thank you guys for watching.